difference between backup and disaster recovery in Node 4 world is the difference between us just keeping a copy of customers' data, so whether that is just individual files right through to entire virtual machine platforms, or for disaster recovery services, customers are challenging us to be able to fail over from on-premise into cloud, between cloud locations, or sometimes even between cloud providers. Node 4 backup solutions are designed to work in a multitude of different ways depending on the scenario and the data the customer needs protecting. We have solutions in place for on-premise data, whether that can be endpoint device, server, physical or virtual, right through to a cloud service solution where we're actually providing backup and archiving for longevity purposes, compliance purposes, or just the ability for customers to recover data, applications or virtual machines as they need to. This then evolves into things like disaster recovery, where customers then look to use that data to provide an effective DR strategy so that they can fail over from on-premise to cloud, they can burst between clouds, and they can actually have an effective solution, for example, between hyperscaler clouds, which we can do with private storage. The difference between disaster recovery and continuity is customers being able to survive an event without any downtime or impact to their applications and their data. For example, customers might want to run active-active from multiple data centers to avoid the impact of any data center loss. They might want to run both on-premise and a cloud provider with burst capabilities and automatic failover between the two. We have solutions that meet all of those requirements. Continuity services from Node 4 can be as simple as us running resilient application stacks within a customer environment to ensure that there is no single point of failure and no outage is actually going to be seen if a single virtual machine, a single stack or a single pod would fail within the cloud environment. Customers also come to us and they say that they want resilience against outages, for example, against an entire data center. We're able to offer services within Node 4 where we can run active-active from multiple data centers concurrently, moving the survivability of an outage from not only a pod or a simple VM application right through to an entire data center going offline.